Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into Google and allow camera and microphone access so audio and video will work. Next, use Chrome or Edge for smoother performance and close apps that might block the camera. Once done, navigate to Meet. Google, com or open Meet inside Gmail, then click Join a Meeting or New Meeting to begin. Doing these steps first avoids permission, prompts mid-call, and ensures you can enter immediately without troubleshooting device content. Now set up the call experience and invite people. Schedule in Google Calendar or copy the meeting link and paste it into chat or email. Adjust guest permissions to control who can present. Make sure you select the correct camera, microphone, and speakers in Meet settings, and choose a video quality that matches your bandwidth. Once configured, enable captions or change the layout to focus on the speaker. You can also blur or replace your background for privacy during the meeting. As the meeting wraps up, manage the room. Mute participants, toggle participant permissions, and remove anyone if necessary so the conversation stays on track. When presenting, click Present Now to share your screen or a single window and record the session if you need a replay. Remember to stop recording before leaving. Finally, click Leave or End Call for everyone. If your camera or mic won't work, make sure drivers aren't blocked, and check browser permissions and system privacy settings before rejoining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.